In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Zapier. This process can streamline your workflow, automate tasks, and save valuable time. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, we want to ensure that your Zapier account is ready. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier platform. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. However, our main focus today is on creating a seamless connection between Airtable and Zapier. On the Zapier dashboard, direct your attention to the navigation bar where you will see App Connections as an option. Click on it to start setting up the new connection. This will guide you to a new page that houses all of your app integrations, both current and those available to be set up. Next, locate and click on Apps from the sidebar. This is where you'll manage and view all your existing app connections. From here, move your gaze to the right upper corner of this interface, where you'll find another App Connection button. Give it a click and you'll be all set to initiate the linking process. In the search bar, type in Airtable. Zapier supports a multitude of applications, so using the search feature will save you time and ensure you're focused on the task at hand. When you see Airtable appear in the list of results, click on it to select it for connection. After selecting Airtable, you'll notice an Add Connection button. Click on it, and this is where the magic begins. Zapier will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these steps carefully. The prompts will typically ask for permissions and may request you to log into your Airtable account to authenticate and seamlessly integrate the two platforms. If it's your first time doing this, make sure that you have your Airtable login information handy to avoid delays. As you work through these prompts, rest assured that Zapier's interface is very user-friendly. Each step is designed to ensure security while also facilitating a swift connection. Once you have successfully followed all the instructions, your Airtable account should now be connected to Zapier. This opens up a new world of routine automation and can help you avoid repetitive tasks in your day-to-day activities. With Airtable successfully connected to Zapier, you can now begin creating zaps, those wonderful automated workflows between your favorite applications. This newfound integration capability empowers you to customize your experience to suit your individual or organizational needs. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to connect Airtable to Zapier. This setup will allow you to streamline your work processes and automate tasks easily. Thanks for watching and happy automating.